Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited for this vlog. If you can't tell by the title, Jacob and I are closing on our house today, and I have not actually seen it, like been inside of it. I've seen pictures, but I'm driving there. I got off work early and I'm gonna head that way to go see it for the first time, because he signed all the paperwork today and we're finally closing on it, and I'm just so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and head that way. It's about a 2-hour drive from my house to his house. A lot of people think that we live together, and we have not. We've been long distance the whole time we've been dating. So this is going to be a huge game changer for our relationship, and I'm so excited. And of course I want to bring you guys along because this is a huge milestone in my life, and I'm gonna want to look back on these memories and see all this stuff, and I want to get my first reaction to the house if I remember to film it, because sometimes filming is hard. But yeah, I'm just really excited about this, and I'm excited to bring you guys along. So let's go ahead and get into this vlog of us buying our first home. Holy crap, that's crazy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So I'm a big fat dummy. I currently ran out of gas, and I'm sitting on the side of the road right off of an exit. I can see the gas station right in front of my face. I thought that I was going to be able to make it, but whenever I stopped at the exit, I think my car just couldn't handle it anymore because it was like puttering. So then I had to call Jacob, who was trying to move everything, to come save me. I'm about 20-ish miles from our house, so I'm close, but it's just frustrating that I'm such a big dummy. And you know how when like everything is happening at once, like today's a very stressful day for us. It's exciting, don't get me wrong, but it's stressful. You're gonna see how close these cars are getting to me, which is very scary. Everything seems to be going wrong. Like he's already had a lot of stuff go wrong with him today, and then this happens where I have to call him and ask for help. But that's just life, I think. So yeah, this is how our day's going so far. And there's the love of my life coming to save me. What a good man. So I'm in the middle of editing this, and I realized that I didn't have like a transition clip letting you know that this is kind of giving like an empty house tour, kind of empty house tour, and showing you guys the house before we do anything to it. Jacob has a couple of items in here that he's moved in because he will be staying here, and we're staying here tonight, so we needed to do the basics to get us through the evening. But I didn't like intro that, I just started filming. So here is an empty house tour of our new house. This is our huge backyard. I know you probably can't tell that well, but it goes pretty far back. All the way back there. And we have this nice concrete patio thing. It's really nice. And a little doggy door for whenever I convince Jacob to let me have a dog. So this is the living room. Obviously, we don't have a lot of stuff in here right now because Jacob's the only one that's going to be living here for the next month. I won't actually move until like May, and it's the beginning of April now because I have to graduate. So I love this hardwood flooring. I think it's so cute. We're going to end up painting that wall and mounting our TV on that wall, but it's actually pretty spacious in here. So that's pretty cool. Here's another view of the living room over there, right there. That's our entrance door. We have this nice big sun, which the kitchen is so massive sorry, that was Jacob sitting down, so massive compared to what I'm having. And we get a dishwasher, which is exciting as heck. The only thing is the stove I can't reach, or the oven, or microwave, the microwave I can't reach, so we're gonna have to put another one in here. And then this little room right off here, it's very hard to roll and film at the same time, is our laundry room. And then it goes back to that back patio that I just showed you, that door over there does. So that's not really that exciting. And this is the entryway into what we're gonna use as our office. So we'll just split side by side. We'll just split, like he'll have one side, I'll have the other. and I think he has an idea for painting this. I'm not sure how he's gonna paint it exactly, but this is our little office space. We get a little storage for everything that we're gonna have for our office. And right now it just has Jacob's office chair. Little space right here is actually like our little hall. It's not that big, it's actually like a square. That's our bathroom. The door is not wide enough for me to get into yet, so we're going to end up fixing that. Jacob has a plan for it, so that goes down to our bathroom. And then over here is our bedroom. There's 2 closets in there, and then we also get a little linen closet. Of course, it's not opening right now. A little linen closet, so that is the house tour. So, tell me how you're feeling.
I'm tired. I'm proud. I moved all this stuff in here by myself.
The bed's in the bedroom too. You didn't see that because I didn't show you, but the bed is here.
Yeah, so that was a feat. I'm glad that my work let me borrow the van to be able to haul everything. Other than that, it was hard fought. You know,
Jacob did all this by himself. Like, I explained a little bit at the beginning of this, but I live 2 hours away, so he toured this. He's the one that got everything set up. He's the one that did all the paperwork. He's the one that did all of that. So he's been working on this for several weeks now, and he did it all by himself. Really, all I did was send him the money to help pay for the stuff. So he did all of the hard work, all the legwork for this, plus moving everything over here. So he's put a lot of time and effort into this, and I'm just very thankful and very proud of him for all he's done, because Jacob has never lived outside of his parents before, so he's really like hitting the ground running, so to speak. Like, I've rented, he's not, so I'm really proud of him for all that he's done. But we're hungry, so I think we're gonna get some food or some pizza or something, and maybe watch a movie in our Bears Heck house. But yeah, so that was kind of the start of the fact that we own a house now. I'm sure that we'll have many more vlogs in here. Jacob wants to do stuff of him like remodeling and all that stuff, so I'm sure that you guys will see that as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this was short and all over the place, but I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.